Hey everyone, today we're going to explore how you can try Ethereum mining without using any physical equipment. No GPUs, no rigs, just your computer and an internet connection. Let's see how far we can go with zero hardware. In this video, I made an $886 profit in just 30 minutes using my $1,300 liquidity pool. No mining rig, no hassle. That's a dream, right? This way you can easily grow your portfolio, and in this video I'll show you exactly how I did it. So if you're interested, let's see how much I earned. Today I'm going to share a very simple method to earn Ethereum cryptocurrency. This method works by automatically processing transactions on the Ethereum blockchain and collecting profits in the form of transaction fees. Now I'm going to show you exactly how this method works. You can find all the links through my link tree, which I've shared in the description below. Here you can see step by step what you need to do. We start by opening our Metamask, Codepen, and Pastebin links. While doing this process, we'll be managing our Ethereum using the Metamask crypto wallet and transferring our funds there. If you don't have Metamask yet, you can download it right away. I've already downloaded Metamask and deposited $1,334 into it. You can transfer your funds to your Metamask wallet from any exchange you prefer. And next we'll be using Codepen to run our software. Codepen is completely open source and lets you run any code directly from your web browser. No need to download or install anything. To run our code on Codepen, click the Start Coding button at the top left. This will open up sections where we can write and execute our code. Once we're here, open the Pastebin link and copy the source code from there. Select the All, copy, then head back to Codepen and paste it into the Codepen. After pasting the code, you'll see the software's interface appear below. If you want to follow the process more comfortably, you can adjust the layout by clicking the settings icon at the top right of Codepen and move the code panel to the left side. Now let's start the software by clicking Enter App. The first step here is to connect your MetaMask wallet to the dApp. To do that, simply click the Connect MetaMask button and approve the connection request that pops up from MetaMask. Once you see the correct account info in your MetaMask and click Connect, your wallet will be successfully linked. You'll then see a MetaMask connected notification appear at the bottom of the screen. The second step is Deploy Contract. Since we'll be doing virtual Ethereum mining, we need to integrate our MetaMask wallet with the blockchain network. Just click the Deploy Contract button to complete this step. For the third step, we need to attach a second wallet address to the contract we just deployed. This wallet will be used for our virtual mining operations. Let's open MetaMask and create a new wallet, then we'll attach it as the second address. To create our second address in MetaMask, just follow these steps. Open your MetaMask wallet. Click on Account 1 at the top. Select Add Account or Hardware Wallet. Then choose Ethereum Account. Enter a name for your new wallet. I'll name mine Account 2. Once we've created our second wallet, you'll see that we now have two wallets in MetaMask. For the next step, copy the wallet address from Account 2, paste it into the software, and then click the Attach button. The fourth and final step before mining is to approve and transfer our liquidity to Account 2. We've already deployed the contract and attached Account 2, so to keep everything clean and easy to track, we'll perform the mining using this second wallet. To do this, simply click the Confirm and Send button. In the MetaMask window that pops up, click Confirm to approve the transfer. The transaction usually takes around 10 to 30 seconds to complete. If you see a transaction failed error at this step, don't worry, just try again. Sometimes the Ethereum network is busy, but it usually works after 2 to 3 attempts. And our transfer has been approved. We're now ready to start mining. All the steps are complete and you'll now see the mining dashboard open up. This interface shows all the key indicators you'll need. We'll be tracking our entire mining process from here. Now let's click Start Mining to begin the process and watch the results together in real time. Let's see how much we can earn. Our mining process has officially started. Meanwhile, let's also check our MetaMask wallet. As you can see, the funds we transferred have successfully moved from Account 1 to Account 2. And the best part? Everything is fully under your control. Since this software runs locally in your browser and doesn't download any external files, your assets stay safe and private. Now, at this point I'm going to speed up the video for about an hour. Let's see how much Ethereum we can earn within that time. quick side note, for every 0.05 Ethereum earned, the software automatically transfers the funds back to account 1. This means you can keep earning Ethereum non-stop, even if you're away from your computer. And while mining is still running, you can open your Metamask wallet and see the profits being automatically transferred to account 1. My first auto withdrawal just came through, and as you can see, I've earned $139 worth of Ethereum so far.
Suppression. The use of marijuana.
Now let's click the pause mining button to stop the process and review the final results together. If you scroll down the page, you'll see the withdraw history section. As you can tell, the software automatically withdrew funds to my wallet every time it reached 0.05 Ethereum. And right above that, you can view the complete log of all actions, with detailed information for each transaction. Finally, let's withdraw the remaining 0.01 Ethereum left in the software. Click on Withdraw Profit, then confirm the transaction by clicking Confirm. When we check our Metamask wallet, you can clearly see that all our profits have been successfully transferred to account 1. We can verify this both on Metamask and on Etherscan. As shown on Etherscan, there have been a total of 6 automatic transfers, and we've earned a total profit of $886. And to quickly sum it up, without any complicated setup, we easily earned $886 in just 30 minutes using a $1,300 liquidity pool directly through our browser. No mining rig, no downloads. I've added all the necessary links in the video description so you can try it out yourself. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. I'll be happy to help. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. It really helps me out. See you in the next one.